Hello, today I want to talk about how to do email marketing for free. This is John with Online Verve, and I make videos about how to make money online. And today I want to talk about one of the best ways to make money online, and that is through email marketing. Email marketing is really important. A lot of people want to try to put that off. They don't, for whatever reason, but it's super important as part of your online business to build an email list and then to use email marketing for sales. And part of the reason that is super important is because your email list is one of your best online assets that you can have. If you're doing any other type of online business, you could be doing, social media marketing, you could be doing things through Amazon, YouTube, etc. But you're at the whim of those platforms. If Etsy decides to shut down your store, then you're done. If Amazon decides to shut you down, YouTube kicks you off, etc., then you're done. Your email list is something that you own, and that's why it is a huge asset. Now, I know some of you may be thinking, but I have to use an email autoresponder for my email list. And while that is true, you can download your email list, on a regular interval, daily, weekly, etc., and that way you keep your email list. So even if an autoresponder maybe decides to shut down your account for whatever reason, you still own your email list. And you can start out with another autoresponder and be back in business. But if you do email marketing correctly, then you shouldn't have any trouble. But this is a huge asset that you need to keep. So we're going to talk about how to start email marketing for free. The other reason I think a lot of times people get intimidated with email marketing is because they think there's a lot of cost involved. And while there can be some cost involved, you can actually get started for free as well. So the first thing I want to do is just kind of go over what a simple email funnel looks like. A funnel essentially is, when you use a funnel to, pour liquid from a larger container into a smaller container, like maybe you're pouring gas into your mower engine or something like that, that funnel allows it to go right where you want it to go. And so you're going to have people enter your funnel through your squeeze page or email opt-in page. Many of you have seen these before. I'll show you some examples in just a minute. And then you're going to take them through this process. Now, the upsell offers are optional. There's different ways to do these. You can do these with your own products if you have them, or you can do them by iframing other people's products. I have a separate video that talks about that, so I won't get into that. But this is the bulk of your funnel, is sending up these automated email messages that go out, that provide information, that promote products, and give you the opportunity to make sales and earn commissions. So let's go back, and I want to talk about that opt-in page, right? Because that's where people are going to enter your funnel, and so you have to have an email opt-in page. And this is where a lot of times people get thrown off because they're not sure how to do that. And there's different services out there that a lot of times people are familiar with, like Leadpages and ClickFunnels. And these are good services to build opt-in pages. However, they also can be quite expensive. So Leadpages, as you can see, starts at $49 a month. That's quite expensive. ClickFunnels starts at $97 a month. So I'm not knocking these programs. They work, but they're pretty expensive if you're just starting out. You will need an email autoresponder, and I only recommend Aweber or GetResponse. They're both friendly to email marketing and affiliate marketing, and so you'll do fine. And they also have free plans that you can start with. Now, they both are up to 500 subscribers, so once you go above 500 subscribers, then you will need to convert over to a monthly plan, which is about $16 a month, which is not bad and certainly a lot cheaper than ClickFunnels for $97 or Leadpages at $49 a month. But you can start with Aweber for free, and you can start with GetResponse for free. Okay, so that's your email autoresponder options that have free opportunities to start with. So you can create simple opt-in pages in Aweber or GetResponse, and I have different videos that show how to do that. But I want to show you something that I use called List Infinity, and they have a free option for you as well. And as part of that free account, you can have access to 14 different lead capture pages or opt-in pages. And so as I scroll down, you can get a look at them. Some are really simple. Some have nice, images in the back. They will connect to your email autoresponder, both Aweber and GetResponse. And these are very nice opt-in pages. Let me just click on a few to open them up. So as you can see, well done. These are hosted for you. They look nice. Let's just go down and take a look at a different one with an image. And so you can go through and you can decide which of these you want to use. And you can use all of them if you want to use. You don't have to limit yourself either. Because you can make opt-in pages through WordPress as well. And that's another common way to make an opt-in page. You can use the free Elementor plugin to make a nice opt-in page, etc. But there's some, technical aspects that you have to learn. And you have to have a domain name, which is going to cost about $12 to $15 a year. And you do have to have hosting, which you could get for about $5 to $10 a month. So not huge expense, but those are expenses. And again, some technical know-how of uploading WordPress themes, the plugins, using Elementor, etc. And so the great thing about ListInfinity is you can get some really nice opt-in pages that are hosted for you, so you don't need a domain, and you don't need hosting, and you don't need to know how to make them. So ListInfinity, to me, is a great source for that. And again, they do have a free plan, and that free plan you can just use and use and use. They have a couple paid options or one-time paid options, $10 one-time payment for their starter system, and that allows you to make $10 instant commission anytime someone joins at that $10 starter level. And then they have a $100 pro level, which is a one-time payment also, and allows you to make $100 commissions if anyone joins at that $100 pro level. However, you don't need those paid plans with ListInfinity. You can go ahead and just use their free option. And so I'll leave a link below for everything that we talked about in this video, except for the paid options, all the free things we talked about. So I'll leave a link for ListInfinity so you can get started, create your free account with them. Now that is going to take you to, I believe, this opt-in page. So just join up, and then the next page will allow you to create your free ListInfinity account. I'll also leave links for Aweber and for GetResponse. These both work well. I've used both of them in the past. I currently use Aweber, so I have a little preference for them, but they both work well, and you can use either of them. And they both do integrate with ListInfinity. Now, once you have got your email option page created, or you don't have to create it, actually, with ListInfinity, you get it for free. They made it for you. So once you have that, then you just need these email follow-up messages. So lots of different ways. You certainly can write these yourself if you'd like. But one of the things I use are done-for-you email swipes. And so these are email messages that someone else has written. And so they're quite engaging. They're written to minimize spam trigger words, etc., so that they're going to have a higher deliverability rate, meaning much, much higher chance of going into the primary inbox in the email accounts, so Gmail, Yahoo, etc., and therefore much more chance that they're going to be seen and opened. And so I'll leave links also where you can get some of these done-for-you email swipes in the description box below. So I hope this helped you see how you can get started with email marketing for free, and also why it's important to go ahead and get your email marketing set up and in place now. If you have any questions, definitely leave me a comment down below. Please like the video if you found this helpful, and subscribe so you can get more information as it comes out. Thanks so much for watching.